Hey everyone, my name is Marta. Kia ora, how you doing? Welcome to NesianFX Traders Hub or Traders Facebook group. First thing first, when you're getting started, here are the guidelines to follow. So the guidelines are in, this is where you start in the announcement tab. Okay, and your files or your blueprints and printouts in step 1, you'll find them in the files section. Just go ahead and print them out, download them, print them out if you can, or just have them up on a new tab and follow along with your blueprint. But this is where you start, guys. Step 1, download your blueprint. I'll go over what that blueprint looks like in a minute. This is the blueprint here. Okay, looks like this, and I'll go through it just very shortly. This is how you where you start. Okay, once you've got the blueprint, once you've got the candlestick Bible is trader's gold, guys. You know, once you learn about candlesticks, that's where the money's at. And then to help you get through the emotional stuff, you want to have certain affirmations, forex or trading affirmation, money flowing to me easy and effortlessly, just nice simple affirmations to help you along a journey, trading journey. Okay, so step 2, this is where we're gonna have a video like what you're watching. It's going to be here, so you can just watch it and follow it. Okay, and how you get started, shows you how you get started. Attend the following Zooms, guys. This is where you get your mentoring, your coaching, your guidance and your support. Okay, so we have Q&A on Monday motivation, and we have them Thursday evening. Okay, notifications, go to the top far right to the page. Okay, so right up here you go to manage, okay, there, and highlight all in there. You push that, make sure all the posts are highlighted, all posts, and click save. Alright, so when you're going through your homework, that's the post where you put your homework. We get you to do some revision and homework after every section, and this is where you will put your homework. Okay, question post, if you've got any other questions other than just screenshotting and we showing your homework, this is the question and answer post. Please either post your questions here or post it in our Telegram, our Pippi Scholar Telegram. Okay, we've also got a step here with how to set up a broker account. Okay, we've got one here. This is just one I use. We do not recommend one, so it's up to you to do your own research on that. But this is just the one that we use. I like it because it's got crypto in there. Okay, step 8, add people who are checking things out. So this is where you can add people, and this will be changed soon. So at the moment, this is where you can add people. All right. Okay, and this is our timetable, so you click the link, and our timetable is changing all the time, so you need to know where the updates are, and we'll be also dropping it in our Scholars, Pippi Scholars Telegram. So these are the sessions that we have available. My sessions and Andre's sessions will be there. Okay, and outlined here are the Forex presenters. Alright, so a lot of cool stuff from a few of our traders will be there. Okay, let me just go through how to use the blueprint now that you're new and getting started. So this is what the blueprint looks like. Okay, please, if you can, print it out. And this is most important. This will keep you in the game, guys. You need to define a why. What motivates you? What is inspiring you? What is the reason why you're here and why you want to learn the skill set? Okay, this is so important to your success. The next one. Okay, so everything is going to be step by step. You're going to be following a tutorial videos. Okay, so while you're going through your steps, you're also going to come to a website called Tradera Legacy. This is what it looks like. Okay, and you're going to have all the videos outlined here for you. Alright. So there's tons and tons of videos, but our blueprint is all numbered for you. So just follow the numbers and you should be okay. So let me just go through the blueprint. Okay, so week 1 must be completed, just follow it in order, right? Do not skip a step, because this is the skill set. It's a portable skill set. Once you learn it, you've got it for life, guys. Alright, once you've completed these sections, mark it off, sign it off, and then go to the next one. And each section is going to have a homework revision for you to complete. Okay, and where I mentioned, where you go to do all your homework, place all your homework in this post here. Okay, after every section that you complete. So let's just go, I don't know why this is not just staying here, but anyway, see how it's all in different orders. So day 2, technical analysis, right? So you're going to find the videos quite easy. Day 1 is download the phone app on your phone or on the desktop, and how to set it up. Next step 2, create a TradingView account, how to use it on a phone and desktop. So you're going to find that all in here. So you got how to do the setup. This is your number 1 for day 1, and how to use TradingView. This is number 2, day 1. Okay, if you're using a phone or laptop, it'll show you how to use it on both phone or your laptop. Okay, now this thing just keeps disappearing on me. I don't know why, but anyway, you guys get the drift, right? So every single section has got a homework. Please, you can put it in the homework post and share your questions. If you're not sure or you need more clarity on anything, you can put it in our Pippi Scholars Telegram or in our questions and answers post. So day 2, right, same thing again, follow it step by step. This is technical analysis, support and resistance, video 1. So you will go back to the videos, support and resistance training, video 1. So there's a few of the videos in each section, as you can see. Alright, as you can see here. Okay, few, and then each section is going to have a section where you fill out the homework. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. Please just follow it day by day and in order. Trend identification. And when you finish, you do your homework, you come over to the homework section, and you make sure some of the people have already did their homework. Just make sure that you name it. See, Sister here has done support and resistance video 1, and she's showing a screenshot of what she's completed. This is how you've got to word it, so we know what we're looking at when we come to just make sure that you understand and you are applying the knowledge correctly. Alright, so back to this awesome blueprint. This blueprint was created by Sister Agitagi Law. She's an awesome trader, and we just love this. I've just added the revision and homework to it. So just go through it step by step, guys. Do not skip a section. When you come to day 3 of week 2, you know, you can start at any time, because you can, you know, it says day 6 and 7 you can have a break. Yeah, have a break when you get to that section, and then start again, you know, on a new week. Day 3, it goes through briefly about all that you've learned. Okay, just make sure that you understand each section. And number 4 here, they actually give you different trading strategies or methods. Pivot points is just bloody awesome when you learn this, guys. Oh my god, this is just fire right there. Price action candlesticks is awesome. More basic strategies, how to enter trades, how to exit trades, and your trading plan and tips for success. Okay, so it's really full-on blueprint for you guys to, you know, those that are really just want to learn this, learn the basics. Okay, because you can become profitable. And the thing is, you just gotta, what brings you here and what's going to keep you here. Okay, you know, even though you're going through all this information, you actually, at the end of the day, you got to take action. Okay, you got to take action. Attend the help Zooms Mondays and Thursdays for guidance and support. You got to just turn up. You got to study hard. Find a study buddy even. You know, we've got it all outlined in our announcement post. Please go through it thoroughly, and just stay consistent. Reach out when you need help, and just have some patience. You know, this is not a race. You're not competing against each other. It's just you and your trading, you and the market, and don't give up. So guys, this is awesome. Just congratulations, welcome aboard. This is where it all starts, and I just hope you find some value in it, and I hope you enjoy it. So from all of us here from us admins and us traders from NesianFX Hub, I just wish you all the best with your trading journey.